Today's a good day. So good folks over at old Super Clean here sent some products over for us to try out. So good news for them, I know how to detail cars fairly well. So we're gonna give this a go. First stop, stopping over here at the old Jar Dog's house. We're gonna take a look at this Equinox and see if we can't clean some seats. All right, the Jar Dog Equinox. How many Equinoxes you got, man? Just realized that. All right, this was what, your mother-in-law's? So what we're after here, see all this discoloration and like it's not soft anymore, it's not plush on these cloth seats anymore, and we got stains all on the carpet down here. I'm gonna show you how to get all that out. Most important thing, you need your secret sauce, the old Super Clean degreaser. So they sent me this product to try, but joke's kind of on them. I didn't realize that this is the degreaser that I've been buying the entire time I've been detailing. I always just grabbed it at O'Reilly's, but there'll be Amazon links for all this stuff as well, and their website. So you need degreaser, secret sauce, you need a drill brush on a drill or impact, and you need an extraction machine. I just use this cheapo green machine I got from Walmart. First things first, we're going to give this a quick once over with the vacuum here on this side, and then we'll get to using this degreaser, but we should be able to get pretty much everything out of this carpet, fix up this seat, and treat these door panels and everything else here. So let me get this vacuum done and then we'll check back. Okie dokie, so our once over with the vacuum is complete. It's not perfect, but we have to vacuum it when we're all said and done again for a final time. So I just do basically a quick one, knocking up anything off the seats that I'm going to treat or the carpet, trying to get most of the small stuff up. Now it's on to the magic juice here. So this stuff is super strong. There's a dilution chart. I'll put a picture up, I'll put a link in the description to it. I don't follow it to a T. I mixed it about probably 1/3 because this cloth is tough. I'm gonna move over to some leather after this car to show that. It's completely different from leather to cloth. So if you're looking for leather, skip forward in the video, but we're gonna do some cloth treatment real quick. All right, so we got 3 primary components here. We got the drill brush, we got the Super Clean diluted how I like it, and we got the green machine. So this is super simple. You're going to soak any area of the cloth or carpet down that you're trying to clean or remove stains from, or in this case this like black film that's on the seat. We're going to soak it down nice and good, nice and wet, right? It's got to be real wet. So if you've inherited a car, it's got some grime in it, or you buy cars, or a used car you're looking at pretty gross, this is all you really need to know right here. So we're going to start with the back of the seat. That's now nice and soaked down in this here Super Clean, and we're going to hit it with this drill brush. So you want to do just like this and so much. Just like this. Once you've drill brushed it, you just fire off your extractor. You go nice and slow with the pulls. just rinse and repeat this process. So I'm gonna do this a few more times and then we'll take a look at how it looks. Okay, made a few passes here. It's not gonna be perfect. This is probably one of the worst seats I've ever come across, but it is far better than it was. There's the one thing you gotta be careful of when you use this setup is like these edges here where you have like your sewn in seams. You'll see this part's still dark and sticky kinda. That drill brush will tear that if you go at it too hard. So you only have a certain amount whenever you got it soaked down of being able to hit it with that. But while this continues to dry out, I'm gonna hit this spot right here one more time because this will come out. And then we're gonna move down to this carpet down here and we're gonna hit the floorboard carpet and show how you can remove, you know, these kinds of things like this greasy stain mark. All right, while the seat's drying out, we're gonna do this real quick. So this is the more common kind of things you're gonna find. Obviously, as good as this stuff is, it's not gonna fix burn marks, but all this like black oily marks and stuff here, same concept, exact same concept as the seat. Any fabric or carpet or material like this, you can do this on. You just douse it real good, hit it with the brush, hit it with the extractor. So I'm gonna do just that little spot so you can see the difference. There you go. No more oily, greasy spot. And then one of the things you want to be adamant about, you're going to fling degreaser everywhere. So you want to wipe it off of any plastic components, especially visible ones. If it runs down plastic, it will leave a little like watermark that will become permanent. So that's why, like, you can see I've wiped off this seatbelt clicker doodatter here. So you can see how much cleaner this one is than that one. We're going to hit the plastics here next. So the plastics are basically the same concept, you just don't need an extractor for them. So let's just dive into it, I suppose. Let's find a good spot to demo. Okay, here we go. Look at this handle here. This is a grody little handle. So what we're gonna do, same kind of deal, except this time, instead of an extractor, we'll use a paper towel. So we just spray it down with the degreaser. I'm gonna wipe the whole thing down. So you can use it as a wipe too, but anytime you have that super thick grime built up, hit it with the brush. You can do all the plastics if you want. Just like that. Now, a paper towel. So this is just the cleaning section of this, is basically the way I can explain it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get all the grime, all the nasties off of here. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna wipe it with some shine. Look how clean, sparkly that is. Okay, so I've been working my way around cleaning up all these plastics. Look at this bad boy. Ooh, ooh. Let's hit this and see how much we can clean this up. I'm telling you, dude, secret sauce. It's like Jordan stuff from Space Jam. Look at this. So you end up doing a lot of repetitiveness whenever you clean like this, but it's totally worth it in the end of my mind. I mean, look at that top. Look at that top. All right, so we got all of our plastics wiped down, all the ones that had grime on them, we drill brushed, nice and clean. So the final step we're gonna do here on this car is these types of stains in the driver or passenger seat. So we're gonna do the same thing we did on the driver's seat. This I know for a fact will work 100%, so this will come out looking brand new. So I'm just gonna do it real quick. We already showed you how to do it, and then I'll show you the results. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness. All right, no more stains in the seat. Did our second vacuum on each side. Plastics are clean. We got ourselves a clean car, boys. I'm gonna come back whenever this seat dries out entirely. I want to see how it finishes out, and we may hit it one or two more times. But a good deal of that black came out. Hey, now you're gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah. But yeah.
So a good deal of it came out, but we'll hit it again later when it dries out entirely, because this is still a wet spot. So we'll come check back in before I post this. All right, I've infiltrated the Jarman's. Let's see if his car's unlocked. Look at that. So here we go. Look at that seat. Look at this seat. So if you look closely, there's still a little bit of marks there. I can probably do it one more time, but we're looking, I'd say 80% better. All right, now that we handled cleaning cloth and carpet, I'm gonna do a real quick demonstration and show the differences between cloth and leather and what you do and do not want to do. So I got this nice little Buick here that I'm finishing up for a friend of ours. Bam. So we got like combo leather cloth seats. So we're gonna do this leather here on the outside. I'll show you how to do it. So same deal as before. You're gonna use your super fancy, super clean degreaser. That's the base for everything, right? So if you look at the leather, you see like on this leather, we got some grease marks here. We got some marks down here. We got a bunch of stuff here in the center, right? So the big difference here is you're gonna take the drill brush and you're gonna put that away. We're not gonna use that. The extractor, same deal. Obviously you don't extract the leather. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a nice, easy, gentle wipe down with the degreaser, right? So we're gonna super clean spray it, right? I use a more diluted solution than I do for cloth, just because leather is finicky, man. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna squirt it down. This one, so like for cloth, you know, I do just below 50-50. So on this one, basically what I did is it was down to about a quarter, and I just refilled it with water. So I really diluted it down. But we're gonna spray it down. We're gonna gently wipe it with some paper towels, and the key is no scrubbing, no hard grinding, just gentle. So we're gonna try and get all this nasty stuff off. Once that's off, you let it dry completely, and then you come back with a microfiber and some sort of leather care, right? This stuff is garbage. It's just the only stuff that I have left here. I'm out of my good stuff. I like to use Meguiar's leather conditioner. So you want what's called leather conditioner. They'll have cleaner and conditioner. You can use the cleaner as well, but the conditioner is the big one. So after we do this wipe down, whenever you get that cleaner, you just put it on and gently massage it into the leather just to re-moisten it and keep it going so it won't crack and get all disgusting. So yeah, let's see how well the super clean just wipes off the stuff though. Typically it'll just come, this kind of stuff will just come right off. Oop, some spots back there, here. They got the greases everywhere, man. I've had these paper towels in here since Vietnam, waiting to clean this car. See? So just nice, gentle wipe down. That's all it takes. So you see we got these little spots here. Just nice and gentle, work it back and forth. Voila. Because you want to make sure that whatever you do, you don't leave any liquid that's just running in like a drip pattern. That stains every single time with this stuff. So there we go. Now, once this is nice and dry, I'll come back with my leather treatment. Let's do a nice massage. So no matter what you put it on, dude, it'll clean it. So there you go. That's how you get her done. So I'll probably do another video. They sent me some wheel cleaner that I've never used before. So typically we use baby wipes of all things. They do really good. So I'll compare it to the wheel cleaner they sent, to some baby wipes in a future video.